Have the confidence to travel with the Rattan Challenger Pro electric mountain bike. Featuring a 48V, 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery and the new IPAR technology that recycles kinetic energy and converts it into electrical energy. The Rattan Challenger Pro can last up to 50 to 80 miles on a single charge. This is 83% more efficient and almost twice as much as the mile range of a typical electric bike. The Rattan Challenger Pro electric mountain bike has a brushless 350 watts motor that smoothly accelerates to its max speed of 22 miles per hour in just about 15 seconds. Choose between the 5-level pedal assist to increase the bike range, or the throttle for a more effortless ride. Its gear system, Shimano 7-speed transmission, allows you to find the perfect speed for your varying needs. Combined with the grippy, CST 26-inch all-terrain tires, this e-bike is good for tackling uneven roads or pavements. The Rattan Challenger Pro is the perfect bike for riders who are 5.5 feet to 6.4 feet tall. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.